Niagara Falls Waterfall, North America. Niagara Falls, waterfall on the Niagara River in northeastern North America, one of the continent's most famous spectacles. The falls lie on the border between Ontario, Canada, and New York State, US. For many decades the falls were an attraction for honeymooners and for such stunts as walking over the falls on a tightrope or going over them in a barrel. Increasingly, however, the appeal of the site has become its beauty and uniqueness as a physical phenomenon. The falls are in two principal parts, separated by Goat Island. The larger division, adjoining the left, or Canadian, bank, is Horseshoe Falls. Its height is 188 feet, 57 meters, and the length of its curving crest line is about 2,200 feet, 670 meters. The American Falls, adjoining the right bank, are 190 feet, 58 meters, high and 1,060 feet, 320 meters, across.